I'm Matt Vaughn, and this summer I've had the pleasure to be a custom applications intern with Agri drones. Agri drones is based out of Boonville, Missouri, and has grown to become one of the largest agricultural drone sales companies in the nation. My internship started off with a lot of fabricating and plumbing the trailer that we have been flying off of. After getting all that out of the way though, eventually we moved on to the main event, crop fungicide and insecticide. Using the drones grants farmers a number of benefits when it comes to the application of their chemicals, including a lower cost of acquiring assets compared to other aerial application methods, and the potential for considerably better coverage versus other methods with minimal crop damage. While I greatly enjoyed my time here at ASD, there were some challenges along the way, but none that couldn't be overcome by the great team that I worked with. Through the summer, I have gleaned so much information about chemical application, the importance of a good team, and especially about the future of precision technology in order to empower rural America with new opportunities.